How to clear your watch history on Crunchyroll. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can clear watch history on Crunchyroll. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go to crunchyroll.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to clear your watch history, navigate to your profile at the top right, and on next to that, there is a drop down right here, so click on it. You will see this menu box in your interface. You can head over to history, so click on history. That's gonna take you to your history piece. So if you have watched some of the video in Crunchyroll, all of that will be popped on your history. So to clear one by one, head over to each of the video. Then you have to click on the trash icon on next to that to clear the history. But if you want to clear all of your history, on this history section at this corner at the top right, you will have an option as clear history. So click on clear history, and with that all of your history will be cleared on your Crunchyroll account. So that's it. That's how you can simply clear your Crunchyroll account watch history. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.